your career or business, we have to cut through the tech bro hype and strip away the fear-mongering. This table directly compares the viral claims against actual market reality. On one side, we have the narrative that AI replaces entire jobs, but the truth is more specific. AI is turning basic, repetitive tasks into a low-cost commodity. Basic execution is no longer a standalone premium product. Depending on your role, this reality creates a distinct set of problems. Let's look at the threatened professional or entry-level freelancer first. Your primary dilemma is figuring out exactly which legacy skills you need to abandon and which high-level curation skills you need to master. Then there is the second perspective, the resource-constrained business owner or solopreneur. If you are running a business, you are caught balancing the allure of massive cost savings against the risk of degrading your brand's quality. Surviving this era requires navigating a very specific trade-off. You are exchanging bespoke human nuance for infinite, near-zero cost speed. To figure out what you should actually hand over to an algorithm, we can look at this quadrant chart mapping task complexity against current AI competence. Down here in the bottom right is the zone of peak automation efficiency. Rule-based tasks from our first two fronts, basic data entry and level 1 customer support, sit firmly in this high-efficiency zone. AI dominates here. Automating this exact quadrant creates an extreme reduction in your overhead costs and provides immediate 24/7 availability for your customers. The trade-off is the loss of human empathy and reasoning the second an unpredictable edge case pops up. When deploying automated support, a flawless human escalation pathway is mandatory. Without a way to reach a real person quickly, you risk brand damage. Clearing our chart, let's evaluate the generative fronts of content writing and graphic design. Standard, repetitive creative work drops right back into that zone of high AI competence. Meanwhile, deep, strategic creative work maps far out of AI's current reach. For a business owner today, using generative AI means achieving a truly infinite content volume at a near-zero marginal cost. But the cost is immediate brand homogenization. Your output starts to look identical to your competitors. For the processional creative, there is a strong temptation to refuse AI entirely to maintain artistic purity. The flaw with that boycott is that you quickly become uncompetitive on price and turnaround time against peers who augment their workflows. Avoiding AI leads to bankruptcy, while publishing raw AI output leads to brand irrelevance. This brings us to structural creative tasks, like our fifth front: basic video editing, automated cuts, and generating subtitles. Using AI for these specific post-production tasks shaves up to 60% off the technical timeline. But algorithms lack pacing intuition, comedic timing, and emotional resonance. They execute with mechanical precision, which misses the organic flow required for human storytelling. If you rely completely on AI for the final video delivery, you end up with sterile content that fails to retain audiences. AI currently operates as a hyper-fast rough draft assistant. It absolutely always requires human emotional intuition for the final polish. The new baseline reality is this: acceptable content is now defined by whatever an AI can generate in 5 seconds. This flowchart lays out a tactical roadmap, starting with your specific role. If you're a freelancer, pivot immediately from basic execution to high-level strategy and AI management. If you're a solopreneur, augment and polish. Utilize AI as a basic agency, but never publish with heavy human editing. And if you're a strategic enterprise manager, use AI to free your talent from menial tasks so they can focus on high-leverage problems. In the future economy, the highest rewards belong to the editors, not the drafters. Professional displacement is a reality for those who refuse to adapt their skill sets. But against that fear is the immense leverage that AI now offers to any professional willing to adapt and evolve today. Surviving means transitioning from being a pure creator into a creative director. Look at your daily workflow. Identify just one basic execution task and offload it to an AI by the end of the day. Ultimately, the market favors the professional who integrates these tools over the one who ignores them.